Hi friends, today we'll make this super simple keychain pouch for your cards, for your cash. You can just carry it along with your keychain. So here I have taken approximately 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter cloth, and this is going to be our cloth for hanging purpose. So I've folded it inside out, the backwards portion on top into half like this, and I have stitched it on the side. And now with the safety pin I'm going to turn this inside out. So just take the safety pin and pull it out like this so that it looks like this at the end. So we will be using that for our pouch. Now here I'm folding this cloth like this, approximately 6 centimeter. So here I'm showing you on a bigger size cloth so that you have an estimate of how it is. And once I've folded like this, I'll flip that cloth over. Maintaining that folded portion, I'm going to do another fold on the backwards in this way. So I should press the folds very nicely so that they don't come off. So this is how the folded portion looks. Now the top area will simply come over like this towards the end, which means I'll have a little flap area for my front portion for the pouch to button it up. So these are how many materials I should have. Now this bit that I had made will go inwards, and at the end fold, last fold, I will not this one, but at the end one I will just put it right below the fold. So you'll have to take your time with this. Now if you want, you can even use a string, but I prefer using the same material. Once this is done, I stitch this whole area. Not the bottom portion, only the top sides I will stitch it. Just little by little, since it's a little hard being a jeans material, the stitching roughly would not work. I'm done with the side where I have my tag to hang to the keychain. Now the top side, which was folded, and now the bottom side. Now what I'm doing is just I will do a double stitch and end it up, and these are the different pockets I have. Now the cut portion that I have, I'll fold it outwards like this, and the other portion I will fold it inwards like this. The pouch is ready. So this is a little lengthier in size. For this kind of pouch, a 35 centimeter length cloth would be ideal enough, and just a little bigger than the size of your card. I will be cutting this off. This was just to show you that how it looks. I'll make it smaller, and then once I am done, this is how it looks basically. See? So to get the folds properly out, you'll have to poke it with something. I have my crochet needle, so that works the best. Now on this area we'll be buttoning it up. So see, this is what I was telling you. The card fits in, but it is loose enough. It's big. So I will be making this pouch a little shorter. This was just to show you how it looks. Now once I button it up, this is how cute the pouch looks. Small, simple and cute. Just to hang it with your key bunch wherever you go. No extra luggage, nothing. So you can fit in your cards here. So this is just the exact size of my cards. And then you can even put in your cash or other small items that you just require on the go for a quick window shopping or so. So friends, do let me know in the comments, how did y'all enjoy this pouch making. I will hang this pouch to my key bunch to show y'all how cute it actually looks. See, this is my key bunch and here is the pouch. Nice, right? Just carry it along and simple to go with. Found this video interesting? Then please do share it with others, and for more of such videos do not forget to subscribe. Bye.